The broad sun is sinking down in the tranquility, the glittering stars on the sky. Late evening on dark blue sky announces the arrival of a great evening. It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you to extend the oath of gratitude on this special occasion. The world is full of gems and diamonds, and we are blessed to have some of these among us here today to celebrate 75 for 75 Platinum Jubilee celebratory function conducted by the glorious Department of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, SCV Medical College. This assembly today would not have been possible but for the relentless efforts of our respected and dynamic Dean and Principal Professor Dr. Datteswar Poddar, HOD of Urology. Thank you, sir, for giving us some reason to celebrate and bring smile upon gloomy faces after such a long period of COVID suffering. It's my pleasure to invite the Chief Architect, Mastermind behind this program, our Professor and HOD, Dr. Vibhuti Bhushan Naik sir, one of the stalwart on the field of plastic surgery, giant surgeon, talented teacher, a beautiful human being, to come up on the stage. To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. Now is the guest of honor for this evening, Dr. Falguni Rai sir, ex-professor and HOD, Department of Plastic Surgery, SCV Medical College, alumni of Safdarjung Medical College, who has served this institution with utmost dedication, love and care. Sir, please come up on the dais. Now I will request our guest of honor of this evening, Dr. Sarada Prasanna Swain sir, to come up on the stage. Now I request our respected Dean and Principal sir to come to address the gathering.
Good evening. Our chief guest, respected Professor Falguni Rai, guest of honor, Professor Sarada Swain, head of the Department, Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, Professor Vibhuti Naik, my erstwhile colleague and guru and guide, Professor Arun Chaudhary, Dr. Ramesh Das, Vice Principal Professor Shahu, my faculty colleague, students, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day for the plastic and reconstructive surgery. Today is the 51st day of the 75 for 75. We have our main function on 26th, 27th and 28th of November. Each day we are waiting for this time of 5:30 to watch the performance of each department, and each day we are discovering huge talent and potential in each department. I am pretty sure today also we will be very eagerly waiting for the program that they are going to perform today, they are going to present before you. And I am pretty sure when I had seen the list of the program, I could make out that Professor Vibhuti Naik has created beautiful dance, songs, drama It is a conglomeration of each item that is required for a cultural event. I am really confident that most of the audience, they come around 6 o'clock for the cultural program, and this becomes a customary. But then this custom has made us what we are today. We have to look back to our past, what we have in the present, and what we vision for the future. And that will be presented by each department, so that we know about each department in detail. We are trying to know about our own institution, what was in the past, what is in the present, and what we are going to have for the future. As you know, that we have got 75 days of jubilations depicting each year that SCB has passed through. And at the end of it, on 26th, 27th and 28th, we have got 3 days program, which is combined the Platinum Jubilee and the SCBM Global Conclave. Few things I would like to highlight. On 15th, our usual program is going to be over. All departments will be completing their presentation, the last being the Neurology on 15th of November. From 16th of November, 10 days are designated. I think somebody is shouting. 10 days are designated for the participation of who's who of Odisha from different fields. Well, SCB belongs to one and all of Odisha. This is known as Godamedica. And if you look back the history, the Prime Minister of Odisha at that time, the first was the Prime Minister of Odisha. He had got admitted and stayed here for 7 days. Now, the list that we have made, whom we are going to felicitate, and they will be telling about their life experience as an inspiration to the young doctors. I read out the name. From 16th it will be a different program, and we have got 10 categories for that. We are felicitating them. They will be telling about their life experience and how the young doctors, how they can think about their future. We are inviting people who are luminaries in their field. This is about 42 luminaries we are inviting in 10 days. I'll tell you the category by which we are calling. Political stalwarts. We have from the mainstream political parties, Congress, BJP and BJD. 3 stalwarts are coming. We have civil society. A civil society, we have got names that will add color and glamour to this function. We have Sri Jagadananda, Mrs. Manasi Pradhan, women's rights activist from Mumbai, Mrs. Krishna Mahanti, social activist, Padma Shri Shanti Devi, social reformer. This is on 17th. On 18th, we are calling from the literary world. Padma Shri Mrs. Pratibha Rai, Sri Gaurav Haridas, Sri Vibhuti Patnaik, they are all known names in the state. Padma Bhushan, Sri Ramakant Rai. We have on 19th from the civil servants, Sri Asit Tripathi, Dr. Kishan Kumar, Mr. Salini Pandit, Mr. Pradap Mahanti from Delhi. On 20th, intellectuals, we have 3 Vice Chancellor, 1 Co-Chancellor and 2 Vice Chancellor. Professor Savita Acharya, Dr. Subrat Kumar Acharya, who is the Pro-Chancellor of KIMS, and we have got the Vice Chancellor of Berhampur as well as Vice Chancellor of Ravenshaw University. And on 21st November from the Judiciary, from the Supreme Court and from the High Court they are coming. We have on 22nd the artists. We are going to felicitate and they will be addressing us. Padma Shri Shri Sudarshan Patnaik, artist Mahendra Mahapatra, renowned painter. Padma Shri Shri Pavakar Maharana, renowned sculptor. Then we have on 23rd, business leader and entrepreneurs. Mr. Bibhu Mahapatra, eminent international designer. If you can remember, Michael Obama, the dress he was wearing was designed by him. Then we have got Nusrat Sangamitra. She is from Kemuchar, settled in Pune. She is the founder and CEO of Cygenica. This Cygenica is an organization which has produced a lot of research molecules, particularly the anti-cancer drugs. Then we have got Santrupt Misra. He is the Chief Executive Officer, Birla Carbon, Director Chemicals, Director Group of Human Resources, Aditya Birla Group. Then we have Mr. Ashish Mahapatra, who is the co-founder and CEO of Business. On 24th, we have got the Media House, where we have invited Mr. Niranjan Dutt, Mr. Ashok Pradhan, Mr. Gopal Mahapatra, Mr. Niranjan Dutt, Vice President, Lok Sabha Mandal, Ashok Pradhan, Chief of Bureau, Times of India, Mr. Gopal Mahapatra, Editor-in-Chief, Ramaya Group of News, Mr. Samsher Singh, Managing Editor, G Hindustan from Delhi. And finally, the last day, on 25th, we have from the creative artist. These are the names to reckon with. And in the creative artist, we have Mr. Prasantananda, Mr. Jharna Das, Mr. Sadhu Meher from Mumbai, Mr. Sabyasachi Mahapatra. So keep your time reserved for those 10 days. This will be live streamed through the both Zoom as well as the YouTube. So get ready for the program as we are coming towards the last part of our departmental program. I thought it appropriate that I convey here that what is stored for the coming last 10 days. With these few words, I welcome you again and definitely wish that you please join us for all the events that I have mentioned and also for the grand finale on 26th, 27th and 28th. This is program that has been designed a rich, very rich program. Eminent persons from the country and abroad, they are going to deliver it during that time. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request our Professor and HOD Bibhuti Bhushan Naik, sir, to address the gathering.
Respected Chief Guest of the evening, Professor Falguni Rai, Guest of Honor, Professor Sarada Swami, Dean and Principal, Professor Bhutta, my ex-HOD, Professor Arun Chaudhary, President of the APRASO, Dr. Ramesh Das, Vice Principal, Dr. Sabu, my colleagues, students, staff, good evening to all of you and welcome to the Platinum Jubilee celebration for the Department of Plastic Surgery. At the outset, I must congratulate the Platinum Jubilee Committee led by the Dean for the wonderful program set out so far. 75 by 75 is an excellent vision. It has brought out the best both in the field of academics as well as in entertainment. We know doctors are busy treating patients, but last couple of weeks, my boys are preparing and rehearsing for the entertainment program. Some of them are so involved with the characters that Dr. Ashish Patnaik has already started behaving as a professor because he is taking the role of a professor in the drama. So the build-up for the Platinum Jubilee is going in a beautiful manner, and we have just Dr. Hota has just told us the program that is again to follow after the departmental program. But we had a glimpse of the inaugural ceremony, and I'm sure we are going to have a grand final. So best wishes to the Platinum Jubilee Committee. Coming to the department had a slow and steady start. Set up in 1967 by founder Professor Narayan Nanda. The department has slowly and steadily progressed, but it really got its wings in 2007 when under the leadership of Professor Arun Chaudhary, the MCS program was started, and in the due course, we are now recognized at the national level as a good department. And I am sure that with the enthusiasm being shown by our students and my colleagues, we will definitely have a brighter future. Today evening, I am missing badly my colleague, senior colleague, Professor Ananda Patnaik, who expired 2 months back. He was a drama lover and he used to participate in all the dramas and activities of the medical college. We really miss him, and I wish he was there and he would have participated in this program. So this evening's cultural program is dedicated to late Professor Ananda Patnaik. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed motivating. Now, may I request our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Sarada Prasanna Swami sir, to come up on the dais for few words.
Respected chief guest of this evening, Professor Phalguni Rai, our Revered Principal and Dean, Professor Hota, HOD Department of Plastic Surgery, Professor Naik, our respected past professor, Professor Arun Chaudhary, our Vice Dean, Professor Geeta Sahu, and all other faculty members, students, and other faculties, family and friends of the Department of Plastic Surgery. I congratulate all of you on behalf of the Department of Plastic Surgery to this gracious evening. I have seen in the last 6 months how vibrating is the SCB atmosphere in each and all departments. A burning vibration has been started by our Revered Dean and Principal for the Platinum Jubilee celebration. I personally proud being the student and faculty of this college and the college where I stands. I have a long-lasting relationship with our chief guest of this evening. When I was a student, sir and myself, we have started the social service work 20 years back. When I was a student, we are giving hot milk and hot water to the patients. I have remembered these days. This days has gone. But now, when you are memorizing the past events, just after I meeting sir, I was thinking how we were started in that time around 2000. So, in this evening, I will tell that plastic surgery department is one of the emerging department of SCB Medical College, and as far as my knowledge, now they have around 60 to 80 major surgeries per month and 30 to 30 minor surgeries, which is a great achievement. Most of the reconstructive surgery like brachial plexus surgery, trauma reconstructive surgery and breast reconstructive surgery after carcinoma are successfully done by the plastic surgery department, and now we are waiting how to implement the cadaveric implant in the future decades. As you know, plastic surgery is a department. When we were students, it was just like a dream. We were telling our friends that if somebody, we are just ridiculously telling you go to a plastic surgeon, do your surgery and make your beautification. But now this theory has been changed. Every person who wants to change their body shape or body structure coming to plastic surgeon and doing it without any cost in the department of plastic surgery, and their personality is changed. Our department of mental health, is closely associated with Department of Plastic Surgery in the surgery of LGBT population and in sexual identity disorder, where the identity or the personality of the person is changed being a LGBT population. As you know, recently National Medical Commission has given highest importance for the dignity of the LGBT population by introducing the course in the UG and PG curriculum and also in the MCH curriculum. So we have to give respect to the LGBT population by doing their surgeries, and it is also the different penile surgery and the sex change surgery has been successfully done by our department. So I wish in the future the cadaveric implant will be a milestone for the plastic surgery department, and my best wishes for the department and the stands taken by our dean and principal, the dynamic leadership. I think SCB is going ahead and 75 years is already proved. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful talk. Now we are excited to hear some words by our today's chief guest, our ex-professor and HOD, Dr. Falguni Rai sir. We kindly request respected sir to continue our event by sharing some words with us.
Respected Dean and Principal Dr. Dr. Hota, who is there. Yes. Our guest of honor, Dr. Swain, Professor Swain, and HOD Plastic Surgery, Dr. Bibhuti Rai, my junior and a friend, Dr. Arun Chaudhary, Dr. Ramesh Das, my friend, and my dear students and teachers of Plastic Surgery Department. Today, I feel so happy that this Alumni Association has organized this celebration of Platinum Jubilee in such a grand manner. I never imagined, with the able leadership of Dr. Professor Hota. This is a unique event. I have been acquainted with this institution for the last 60 years. And today, I feel that I am in a dream state. This hall, we entered in 1962, and the metamorphosis has changed. Whole entire campus has changed, and there are a lot of developments in different departments. I miss my most dynamic colleague, Dr. Ananda Patnaik. I feel so sorry. I was expecting him to meet today, but God has denied me that opportunity. Now, when I was a house surgeon in 1968, I joined under Professor Nanda, N.C. Narayan Chandra Nanda, he was assistant professor. Department they started in 1967, and I joined as a house surgeon in 1968. And subsequently, Dr. Vinay Kumar Das, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Naik, they joined, and in between our senior my colleague Dr. Sudarshan Bhalia Singh, Dr. Ramesh Das, and Dr. Subrat Jana also worked in the department for quite some time. And I am thankful to all my senior head of departments who have blessed me and supported me. During my time, though nothing dramatic has happened, but it was a peaceful 5 years time. From 1997 to 2002, I was the head of department of plastic surgery. My attitude was to give full freedom to my juniors to develop their skill, their career, and also the department. In those days, with the limited resources, we used to help our poor patients through, as Professor Swami told, there was a organization managed by students, D-Help, and there is another institution, NGO, Sokha, and its head is Kavita Mahapatra, a dedicated lady working in the State Bank. She used to help us in providing food, medicine, in cases of, sometimes also she used to send attendants to look after the patients. And my Rotarian friends, they also helped me, Satyasai devotees, they also helped me. So I managed most of the poor patients with utmost care and whatever possible from my side. Those days are gone. Now everything is abundant. I don't know about the food those days. For some time the diet was restricted to milk and bread only. So we used to collect food for poor patients and medicine, blood, etc. Even our undergraduate students also helped in providing blood and attending those burn patients who needed psychotherapy and attendance. My burn patients who developed this post-traumatic stress disorder, they were looked after by Professor Swami and other colleagues. Because all the burn patients, though we take them casually, some of them they suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. And they need psychological support by attendants and by psychiatrists. So teaching in those days, when I was a junior, I used to take classes in bedside. Then when I became the head of department, I used to take theory classes. I love my students, I love my patients. My students are now, they are well placed in different positions in this hospital. I feel proud for them. Like Professor Datta Sarutta, once upon a time he was my student. Now he is the principal and dean. Similarly, there are many others who are holding different important posts in different institutions all over India and abroad. The other day, one of my students telephoned from Australia. There are friends who, wherever I go, I find my students occupying the highest chairs in the institution. So those days are gone. Now, my attitude at that time was to popularize the subject. So I delivered around 30 to 40 radio talks in the morning hours, the Amar Shastra Karjakram. I had also had the opportunity for broadcasting some TV programs. Then later on I published a book in Oriya for general public, basing on my radio talks. These are some of these, and we used to go in Lifeline Express, managed by Impact India. I used to go to Khariar Road and Jharsuguda. One of my most memorable days when in Khariar Road, in the train, we used to operate cases. I was asked to operate 13 cases in one day. So I am a little comfortable surgeon. I can manage 3-4 cases a day. But that day I had to operate 13 cases. I don't know how God has given me the strength. We started at 7 o'clock in the morning, finished at 7 o'clock in the evening, all cleft lip cases of course. Palate we didn't do in the train. So that was one of the most memorable day of my life. And also, we have managed lots of burn cases during the Baripada burn disaster. My colleagues, Dr. Arun Chaudhary, he was the assistant professor when I was there. I came from Barampur and we worked together. We managed many burn cases. There are other minor disasters occurring in Cuttack city and also at different places. We have managed burn cases. Then I feel very happy that this institution my dream institution, this has gone to such a high level that all over the world people know, our faculty members are known all over the world. Okay, there is a request to consult my, I wanted to elaborate some of the past experiences. Anyway, now I always hopeful about the department. Now with the able leadership of Professor Vibhuti Bhushan Naik, the department will go to very high level, and unfortunately we lost one of our dynamics plastic surgeons, Dr. Ananda Patnaik, whom I was expecting to be here this evening. I feel so sorry about him. With these words, I wish the department, the college will, with its faculty members, will do wonderful work and they will be known all over the world. Thank you.
Now we are going to start felicitation ceremony. Now I call upon our beloved Dean, Professor Dr. Bhutta sir, please come to the desk. And now I call upon our Professor Dr. Phalguni Rai, who is a alumni of this institute, passed MBBS and MS from this institute, and he was the last professor of the 20th century. He popularized plastic surgery by at least 50 radio talks. Organizing secretary ASI conducted in 1994, conducted various cleft lip palate surgery various parts of Odisha, and establishing Smile Train program in Odisha along with Professor Vibhuti Bhushan Naik. Now I request our Dean sir to felicitate Professor Dr. Phalguni Rai. Next,
Sir, take a close. Sir, सामना सीधा. Once more, sir. Thank you, sir.
next I call upon Professor Dr. Arun Kumar Chaudhary. He is also an alumni of this institute and passed MS in 1984 from this institute, and he has contribution in 1997 Baripada born and started MCS course in plastic surgery in 2007, and he was the past president of National Academy of Bond India and conducted conference of Navicon 2016 and became the first Odia person to become executive member in APSI, and he has a contribution to start the national program for prevention
Sir,
of bonds in Odisha 2016, and
Once
lastly
more, sir.
he is the
Thank you.
Professor Nanda. He is the second highest duration of professor in the department. Thank you. Now we have online felicitations. We will felicitate Dr. Milind Wagh from Mumbai. Will be felicitated by online. Next, Professor Dr. Amnesh Baliar Singh. He is also alumni of this institute, and now he is practicing in Mumbai. And Professor Dr. Jagan Mohan Das, and he is actually living in Barampur, not able to come. We will felicitate online. Now I request all the dignitaries present in the dais to take their chair in the audience. Thank you very much.
Now coming to past, present and future of the department. The era of discovering the human body, the honor of being trusted to give advice, the gratitude for helping someone through difficult illness, these things never grow old. The following video depicts the journey of our beautiful department from its infancy to the present giant stature it has attained till date. Let's watch out.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prithviraj Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Plastic Surgery. I will walk you through the journey of the plastic surgery department. The predecessors of the Department of Plastic Surgery, along with founder Professor Dr. N.C. Nanda, Professor B.K. Das, Professor B.L. Naik, Professor J.M. Das, Professor Falguni Roy, Professor A.K. Chaudhary, and Professor Dr. A.P. Patnaik. And here are the alumni of the Department of Plastic Surgery, and the first pass out MCS PG student, postgraduate student is Dr. Ranjit Saul, who is at present working as the Associate Professor of Plastic Surgery, AIIMS Bhubaneswar. We have also organized two national conferences, Navicon and APSICON, in the year 2016 and 2019 respectively, and the conference of Odisha's chapter of Plastic Surgeons Association in 2020. I will walk you through the present status of the department. From a 10-bedded units of 1967 founded by Professor N.C. Nanda, at present we are a 75-bedded department with 7 sanctioned posts consisting of 2 professors, 1 associate professor and 2 assistant professors and 2 SR. And we have got 9 MCS residents, that is 3 admissions per year, and all the degrees are recognized by the National Medical Council of India. We are catering to patients from all the districts of Odisha. We have 4 days OPD a week and 4 days major OT and 2 days minor OT a week. With OPD turnover of approximately 7,000 cases per annum and indoor admissions of approximately 3,000 cases per annum, and we are undertaking 3,000 cases of surgeries per annum. We are undertaking replantations and revascularization surgeries in the emergencies, and the major bulk of our routine works consists of reconstruction of the post-traumatic defects, that is bony gap and soft tissue wound and peripheral nerve injuries, reconstruction of the post-cancer surgery wounds by free tissue transfer or pedicle flaps, reconstruction of the post-wound contractures, reconstruction of the congenital malformations like cleft lip and palate, hypospadias, syndactyly and polydactyly, hypoplastic thumbs, radial claw hands, atrovenous malformations, neurofibromatosis, reconstruction of the brachial plexus palsies and peripheral nerve injuries and tendon transfers. We are also undertaking gender reassignment surgeries or the sex change operations. Our cosmetic procedures like rhinoplasties, breast augmentation and reduction procedures, liposuction and body contouring procedures. We have also many research work and publications in reputed journals and many awards and achievements to our credits. Thank you. Professor Dr. Vibhuti Bhushan Naik sir is felicitated by ISRM for outstanding work in microsurgery. Department of Plastic Surgery has won the Professor R.N. Saul Memorial Trophy for first free tissue transfer in the department. Here is the daily world rounds by Professor Dr. Vibhuti Bhushan Naik sir and his team and the MCS postgraduate resident doctors, and the teaching activity is going on. This is our outpatient clinic where we see approximately 100 patients per OPD, and the teaching and training activity is going on. This is our well-furnished auditorium where we conduct 3-day seminar a week, and we undertake the planning sessions. The present faculty members of the department headed by Professor Dr. Vibhuti Bhushan Naik, and which constitutes a 20-member team of doctors. These are few rare highlighted cases of the department published in the newspaper of Odisha.
plastic surgery is an extensive super specialty. It covers from head to toe and it has the maximum number of subspecialties. One plastic surgeon cannot master all the subspecialties. Hence, we need experts in all the different subspecialties of plastic surgery. Therefore, the need of a plastic surgery institute instead of a plastic surgery department. Technology has found its use in most of the surgical fields like robotics, and plastic surgery is not lagging behind. Robotics are already in use in plastic surgery. Couplers, especially for the venous anastomosis, has made a huge difference in vascular anastomosis. Lasers and the development of different types of lasers have contributed immensely and are evolving in this field of plastic surgery. Tissue engineering is going to make a major impact on plastic surgery. After the discovery of keratinocyte culture by Ridwald and Green, it held a lot of promise, but because of lack of dermal elements, we have not got a proper skin substitute yet. So that is going to be the future, having epidermal and dermal analog to replace extensive injuries like burns, trauma, which is going to be a game changer in saving life of the people. In today's world, accidents resulting in loss of limbs and loss of or deforming the face is a big challenge, and the need of the hour is organ transplantation. Thankfully, organ transplantation has been started in Odisha. The cadaver organ transplantation has been started in Odisha 1 year back. So this will find its use in plastic surgery in Odisha, where there are many patients where both limbs, upper limbs, have been lost because of accident and they are crippled. So once we start organ transplantation, a lot of patients are going to benefit as regards functional rehabilitation is concerned or aesthetic rehabilitation, like replacing or doing a face transplant for facial scarring. I think this is the immediate future of plastic surgery in Odisha.
Our cultural program follows. Please wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, all of you agree that true prayer is a spiritual transaction between heaven and earth. So I request the lovely and cute Miss Akanksha, daughter of Dr. Deepak, for welcome song. Wow, Miss Akansha, your lovely voice left the audience spellbound. This was indeed a lovely performance. The rhythm of the moves still tickling my soul. I'm sure of the audience as well. Now it's time for some music. Music is a moral law. It gives us soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and charm to life. Please put your hands together for a very talented, versatile singer who also happened to be the son of our Professor Dr. Vibhuti Bhushan Nayak and Associate Professor, Department of Gastroenterology, Dr. Haribhakti Sevadas, gives up to all our hearts, Master Angsuman.
पिया तोरा कैसा पिया तोरा कैसा सघन सावन लाए कदम बहार मथुरा से डोली लाए चारों कहा सघन सावन लाए कदम बहार मथुरा से डोली लाए चारों कहा नहीं आए नहीं आए केसरिया बनमा अंगना बड़ा सुनसान पिया तोरा पिया तोरा कैसा अपने नयन से नीर बहाए अपनी जमुना खुद अपनी बनावे अपने नयन से नीर बहाए अपनी जमुना अपनी बनाव लाख बार उसमें ही नाए पुराना होई असना पुराना वाब जान पिया तोरा पिया तोरा पिया तोरा कैसा पिया तोरा कैसा बोल सखी काहे करी सजो सिंगार न बही नभ अब सना कांचनहार बोल सखी काहे करी सजो सिंगार न बही नभ अब सना कांचनहार खाली चंदन लगावम्मा चंदन गरल समान पिया तोरा कैसा पिया तोरा कैसा अभिमान कैसा अभिमान Thank you.
Nice, Samsuan. You have a booming voice and lacks of character in your tone. The melodious song has filled the whole atmosphere with positive energy.
छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला
Little Angel Dipali, daughter of Dr. Deves and Dr. Suchishmita. Now, the upcoming ramp show, directed by our senior resident, Dr. Samprit Samal, and our assistant professor, Dr. Prashant Bad, and NCH residents. The art of practicing plastic surgery.
My next question was, when the medical school, that is the name was Odisha Medical School, was started. Definitely there is a prize for it. In which year? Please, the first audience will get a prize. Wrong. It is not 1945, it is 1875. 1875, about 146 years back. Then the civil surgeon of Cuttack, whose name was Dr. Stewart, he was the first principal.
Dr. Sanpreet, Dr. Prashant, Dr. Tanmay, Dr. Aspa, and mostly their lovely wives, Dr. Suchismita, Pragya, and Suprabha, and the little cute kids, Dr. Prasant Kid Advika, Dr. Avinash Little Angel, and Little Master Aspa. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't go crazy on the next couple duet dance performed by Dr. Deves and his lovely wife, Dr. Suchismita, Assistant Professor, Department of Cardiology, are about to rock the stage.
जुड़ी रहे तुझसे हर एक सांस खुद पे पहले ना इतना यकीन मुझको पाया मुश्किल सी घड़ियां सोई अब जो तू आया एक बात कहूँ तुझसे तू पास है जो मेरे सीने से तेरे सर को लगा के सुनती मैं रहूं नाम अपना सीने से तेरे सर को लगा के सुनती मैं रहूं नाम अपना सजने की ये है लाखों लाखों दुआएं मांगी पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे चाहत की तेरी मैंने हक़ में हवाएं मांगी पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे तुझसे ही दिल ये बहरा तू जैसे गरमा बहरा चाहूं मैं फिर क्यों मैं तुझे जिस पल ना चाहा तुझको उस पल सजाएं मांगी पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे सजने की ये है लाखों लाखों दुआएं मांगी पाया है मैंने फिर तुझे
Wow, such wonderful performance. Now, the upcoming dance show, directed by our senior resident, Dr. Sampreet Samal, and our assistant professor, Dr. Prashant Bal, and MCH residents. The art of practicing plastic surgery.
Perform a dance show conducted by MCH residents. And please watch dance. Dance, group dance.
हाँ
Now it's time for song by Master Amsuman.
महसूस यही होता है, हर मुलाकात पे महसूस यही होता है। मुझसे कुछ तेरी नजर पूछ रही हो, जैसे जागते जागते एक कटी हो, जैसे जागते जागते एक कटी हो, जैसे जान बाकी है मगर सांस रुकी हो, जैसे कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो, जैसे कोई फरियाद तेरे दिल में दबी हो, जैसे मुश्किल समय संभला था, टूट गया फिर एक दफा, बात बिगड़ी है इस कदर, दिल है टूटा टूटे तेरा बिन न लेंगे कभी तुम, तुझे कितना चाहे और हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे कदम, तुझे कितना चाहे और हम तेरे बिन न लेंगे कभी तुम, तुझे कितना चाहे और हम।
Now, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath together as we bring you now the most awaited event for the evening. Come with me to the theatre of life, Punar Bhavatu. Punar Bhavatu.
So my last question is, in which date this medical college was started? Everybody knows this was started in 1944. In which date it was started? Anybody from the audience? I will give a prize. Nobody? Please, my prize is ready. In which date, Sachiv? It is 1st June 1944. And it was started under leadership of Dr. T. Anderson, who is the civil surgeon of the country.
ओम नमो गणेश विघ्नेश गिरिजानंदनं प्रभु मम विघ्न नियतेषु सर्वसिद्धि ओम शुभं भवन्तु शुभं भवन्तु शुभं भवन्तु गराको माड़िया संतु गराको माड़िया संतु 9टा हेलाणी हेले गोटा बेली गराक मो पान दुकान देखा नाही हौ देखा जाओ लक्ष्मी भरोसा मा तुई ना भरोसा लो मा लक्ष्मी तुई भरोसा
मैं हूँ डॉन
अरे ये बड़ा आसिला ना कौन दुकान है ओ हो सही बिक्की बाकी बड़ी हो और देखा जाओ कौन
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं कौन अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं कौन ओए ओए ना
अरे ये
आओ सकाल सकाल चलान गला
कौन बोला
एई चूना
मु गराक को चूर्ण लगाउची अरे तमे जानी न केते पुलिस गलेनी सेही फांडी पड़ीची आउ केते डाक्टर गलेनी सेही डाक्तरखाना पड़ीची हेले केते पान दुकान गलानी हरिवाइना पान दुकान अच्छी ना सकाल सकाल आसी बाकी खाए अभ्यास छाड़ी दो
हरिवाइना काली बेटा की जाऊ तो काई मु पानरे चूना कथा कहउथली पुरा
ओहो अच्छा अच्छा
और गोटे भलो बनारस पान देलो
आओ बस देखियो सभी के नहीं ये दियो पानी
हरिवाइना
हां
आजी कोन खट्टी सेंटर रे की जोड़े भी देखा जाऊ नांदी
ओटे ओपे करा आसीबे हे आसीरे बेरे
राउंडिला खट्टी सेंटर रे केनो खाली जाएनी ओडे आपले आंचो तले आंचो करथिलो
आ हरियाणा हां ए दलाले पान ना तमे बाकी बेटी
आए पता पुरोनी दिया हबो
हाउ दिया हो हाउ नियो सारा पान गुरु आदि कौन दिखे हे जाओ
ओ एटा ओडे कथा ओ खाई के पान बनारस वाला
अरे रोइजा मणि तू घोड़ो लाजी
डबो
गोपाल दौची रो
अरे भंग का रंग जमा चकाचक
আজি बोल मोड़े जा
मन जबा अरे ऐसा झटका लगे जिया पे पुनर्जन्म हो जाए ओ खाई के पान बनारस वाला ओ खाई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला ओ खाई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल ओ छोरा तो मर्जा करके कर देलु
पैसा पैसा
ओ तो कथा बुझा
कौन चाह बात बोलू ना
गुरु तू कथा तो टिके बुझिलनी तोर कोई को कथा नहीं तोर कथा को सबुले मु बुझुची
यही कथा गुरु यही झियो कथा पारो कथा म
ओ मिडी कथा एक ही नाम है मेरा दीपक
V for victory. आओ विक्की जब खेल करे पूरा 100 रे खेल माने फुल बोबा ओ ता तो बता हरि भाई ना हां मो बहिडा देलो ओ बहिरो ए मोर फॉर्मूला बही अच्छा अच्छा सही गोटे बही देथिला हां सेपटे देखिए पढ़े तो देखिए ये मोर लेखा बही ओ बुझलो ओ माधुरी दीक्षित मो बाबा आछला एई बही खाइती नेने पाइछि देख एटा रबु तोरो ए बहीर ना होची लड़की पटाने का 100 तरीके हां बुझलो बहीरे फॉर्मूला नंबर 21 ट्राई कर तो काम हो लव गुरु रिपीट भरे
तार कृष्ण चूड़ा रंगर नाली ओढ़णी हाय मस्त मस्त आखिरे मस्त चाहनी तार कृष्ण चूड़ा रंगर नाली ओढ़णी हाय मस्त मस्त आखिरे मस्त चाहनी तभी जियो मन बिटुनी भाव बिटुनी बिची तुझी पूरा तने छड़ुनी
छाड़ो बात मोदी छाड़ो बात जो बात ये मन परिवार बोलो वालो तू जो नीचे गोटे बात और तू अब तू मैं गोटे बात ता बात तू भी मर जाए से भी जाने ना ओ जाओ तू जल्दी जा किंतु तू प्रेम रे आइला जोता बोले तो नहीं जा प्रेम फूल मूल करला अरे बाकी आज टेंशन रो जना पड़ते हो बाकी तो खाई चल जाओ पूरी टेंशन नहीं वर्षों सारा बाकी खाई चल गुरु व्हाट विल यू कौन तो राज आजा गुरु वो सांगो राज बेंगलोर में सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर अछि राज यही है काम गुरु ओ ये है काम गुरु हेलो राज टू मीट राज तेरे प्रॉब्लम के बारे में ना मैंने लव गुरु को सब समझा दिया तो तेरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देंगे गुरु जहाँ तो नाम दे दो यहाँ बता और बैठो ना हाँ हाँ रामचोर सांगो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर मैं आगे पहले ये बाकी बैठना तो देखो रेगुलर यदि बहुत दिया हमको हाँ ठीक है काम कर तो नहीं कौन जाना पाना आप थोड़े भलो बनारसी पान करो हाँ रात ये हरिमैना पान यहाँ का फेमस पान तो इसका पान खाओगे ना टेंशन फ्री हो जाओ धन्यवाद अच्छा अब बताओ बेंगलोर में सब ठीक ठाक है ना
हाँ चल रहा है एक लड़की है किरण जिससे मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा कि उसे बताऊं कैसे
ओ ये बात है अच्छा रात मुझे एक बात बताओ सच्चा प्यार कर रहा है या ऐसे ही टाइम पास
नहीं नहीं सच्चा प्यार कर रहा
ओ दैट्स फाइन इसलिए करने वालों की कमी हार नहीं। तुम एक काम करना, अच्छा हवी भाई ना, हाँ राजो मोड़ से बोर्डर दी थी, हाँ अच्छे चलो तो बोलो। ये जो किताब है मैंने खुद लिखा है, इतने बड़े बड़े हीरोइन हीरो सब इस सीट में इसको पढ़कर ही उनका सब सेट हुआ है, समझ गया ना? तो देखो ये जो किताब है, नाम है इसका लड़की पटाने का शौक। क्या? लड़की पटाने का शौक। इसको ले लो, फॉर्मूला नंबर 7 अप्लाई करना, काम हो जाएगा। वाह गुरु मान गए। Oh my God! Yes. How can I help you?
राज अग्रवाल नाम है मेरा।
अच्छा, आप राज अग्रवाल हो? आपके लिए रूम नंबर 107 बुक है। अरे बाबूला, सारा मैडम असलेनी रूम सार मैडम असलेनी 6-7 रूम रेडी तो?
पूरा रेडी अच्छी सर।
आइए ना सर, प्लीज।
तो चलो ना।
सुबह ऐसे आराम हो रही नहीं बोलते बहुत टाइम लगेगा।
तुम मुझे कितना प्यार करते हो? ये भी प्यार पूछने की बात है क्या? किरण प्लीज आओ ना। सिर्फ बातें और कुछ नहीं, बाकी सब शादी के बाद। शादी तो जब चाहेंगे कर लेंगे, लेकिन इसमें क्या जाता है? नहीं राज, मैंने मना किया था ना, मैं तुम्हारे साथ अपनी जिंदगी नहीं हो सकती। किरण बेगर में टाइम नहीं बोला ना, नहीं मतलब नहीं। किरण मेरी बात मान जाओ, नहीं तो मैं जबरदस्ती करूंगा। क्या? तुम मेरे साथ जबरदस्ती करोगे? नहीं, बस ऐसे एक मजाक में बोल दिया। मजाक? तुम मेरे साथ जबरदस्ती करोगे? नहीं किरण, मेरी बात मान जाओ। अच्छा? नहीं प्लीज। देखो तुम मजाक किया ना, जबरदस्ती। मैंने मजाक में बोल रहा था। किरण मजाक? क्या कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है?
अरे सुनिए, कटि जाइए कि कौन बहुत रक्त भाई जल्दी आसनु भाई हम हिरोइन को फोन कर दे राज राज क्या हुआ राज राज क्या बात है देखो डॉक्टर पूरा काटी देची कौन भाई जल्दी ले लो भाई हम मेरे साथ रेडी और चलो चलो
हाँ सर सर सब ठीक अच्छे सर नाई सर असुविधा है लोक मारी आड़ को
सर 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 बचाओ सर सर पेशेंट सीरियस सर
ए मोला मोला ये कौन है
सर से जियोरा का चौतरा काटी दे सर बच्चा
कौन कहलो जियोटा का चौतरा काटी देछि हो सर सर जियोटा सर काटी देछि सीरियस केस सर शीघ्र एससी रेफर कर दवा
अरे ये तो संपूर्ण कटि जाइए एसपी ब्लड देखिए नहीं ब्लड प्रेशर
हां सर टिके कम थेला होया लागुची सर
अरे ये तो हाइपोवोलेमिया अछि तब सागे सागे ब्लड चढ़ेलो और सलाइन भी चढ़ेलो सब्सट्रेट दे दियो
सर
एंटीबायोटिक दे दियो अबे ड्रेसिंग कर दियो सर ये जो ब्लीडर गुडा को अछि ताको प्रेशर ड्रेसिंग करियो
सर
हला लाइगेट करिवनी
सर
अच्छा तार आनी से पटी जाइतो अंगटा अच्छा ठीक अछि सुनंतु यार हाथ गोड़ कटि जाउतिले एठी तो फेई परिबनी एटा हमको बड़ मेडिकल पठेबा को पड़िबो किंतु बड़ मेडिकल रे केवल हाथ गोड़ कटुतिले जोडु जंदी हेले एई अंगटा कटले जोडु जंदी कि नाही मते पचारी बुझिया पड़िबो हला आपण आसंतु आपण मान सब बाहर रहंतु
चलो भाई ड्रेसिंग रूम को चलो ड्रेसिंग रूम को नहीं चलो भाई ड्रेसिंग रूम को नहीं चलो
हेलो कन्सल्टेंट मेडिकल अफसर कहउछन्ती सर एसयूरो सर आया नमस्कार सर मो सर मेडिकल अफसर कहउतली तंटीगोटा पीएसएल सर आया सर डॉक्टर सर्वेश्वर प्रमरवर मकरंद मुदली कहउछे सर ना सर जणे लोक सर हाँ सर ना बड़ अच्छी आज्ञा मु सर फोन करथिली गोटे इमरजेंसी सर केस टे आसी पेनाइल एम्पुटेशन सर सर सेटा हेटी जोड़ा हे पारियो सर आज्ञा ए सर 2 घंटा हला कहउछन्ती सर 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 सांगे सांगे सर पठे दोजी सर आपण इया कहले जे दीटा पॉलिथिन बैग ठीक करी गोटे पॉलिथिन बैग रे आइस रखिबी आ गोटे रे सेई जो कटि जाई के को भलो से सफा करी के रखिबी आमटा को पुणी आनी कि से सलाइन पैक रे रखिबी कांदेबी सांगे सांगे सर पठौची सर सुनंदु आपण सर सर गोटा रे आइस क्यूब रखिबे सर आ गोटा रे जो कटि जाई जे सेई पटो भलो के धोई दियंतु ताको पुणी गोटे पॉलिथिन रखिबे सेटा आनी कि जोटा आइस क्यूब रखिबे सेट रखिबे एयर टाइट के बांधी देबे ताको सर कहउथिले जदि गोटे वैक्सीन कैरियर हे परिबो बहुत सुविधा होंता सेठी रखिने तने पठाते कर देलेडी बहुत बढ़िया मते से रेफरेंस लिख दियो
केते टका ऑपरेशन पे लागियो सर से लोग पूरा बेंगलोर रु आछि हम निकम खाली संग होतु तार गार्डियन के ना
जम्मा व्यस्त होंतनी एटा गोटे गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज को पठे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल को पठे जे सेठी समस्त जिनिस मागना रे हो बुझिले आपण मते जानि ना हम सरकार को द्वारा बिजु स्वास्थ्य कल्याण योजना वाली योजना अछि से योजना रे सब जिनिस संपूर्ण मागना रे ट्रीटमेंट होछि ठीक अछि एटा आपण नै जानतो एडी से काजल मेडिसिन अफसर को देखैबे
धन्यवाद सर आपण ही भगवान
लंबा लंबा निश्वास नियो
जल्दी जल्दी
आ करो
सर
बाहर बसना सीरियस पेशेंट देखी सर कौन है सर आप पेट में तो बोर्ड लगी କିଛି ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଦେଇପାରିଛ CSC ରୁ ରେଫର ହେଇଛି this case of penal application and the practice of emergency ମୋ ଡକ୍ଟର ସେ ମୁଦୁଲି ସାହେବ ମୋତେ ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ମୋତେ ଏଇ ପାଖରେ ଯାଇ ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଦାସ ମୋ ଲେଟ୍ କରିଛି ସମସ୍ତେ ଡାକ୍ତର ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ଫୋନ୍ କର ମୋତେ କାଜୁଆଲିଟି ଆସିଲେ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି କେସ୍ ଆସିଛି
ସାର୍ କହୁଛି
ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି
हेलो मैडम मैं कैजुअलिटी कौन थी वो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी इमरजेंसी केस है ठीक है मैडम ଟିକେ जल्दी आसे
सर नमस्कार सर
हेलो
कौन केस में सर
ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାର ଅପରେସନ କେସ୍ ଆସିଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
मैडम नमस्ते मैडम केस डिफिकल्ट प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल
डाक्टर वो आपन पुराना गुण गला खाली तो प्राइवेट पेशेंट आके देखंतु अच्छा ये कर दीजिए
मैडम से जियोड़ा का तो तुझे
केमिति करिला
चाकरी
केना करिला 3 घंटा 30 घंटा ठीक है पेशेंट को इमीडिएटली प्लास्टिक सर्जरी ओटी को नବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦିନ ରକ୍ତ ଦରକାର इन्वेस्टिगेशन सब करी इमीडिएटली प्लास्टिक सर्जरी ओटी को पठाओ सर एटा ଗୋଟେ रेयर केस ଅଛି सर तो प्रोफेसर को ଟିକେ कॉल करिए
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଆପଣ ଫୋନ୍ କରିବେ
हेलो सर नमस्कार सर ये कैजुअलिटी इमीडिएटली आसे सर ଗୋଟେ रेयर केस टोटल केना ना
कौन है सर नमस्कार
ମୁଁ ମୂଳରୁ କହିଛି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଯାହା ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲେ ଆସୋସିଏଟ୍ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଆଶିଷ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ କରିବ ମୋତେ କାହିଁ କଲ୍ କଲ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡବଲ ହେଡ୍ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ମିଟିଂରେ ଡିନ୍ ତ ସେଠି ଥିଲି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ପେସେଣ୍ଟର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କ'ଣ ଅଛି
सर टोटल केना नंबर से फ्री और डिलीवरी सर वो ब्लड डोनेट करियो कहले इमीडिएटली ओटी को शिफ्ट करियो कहले
ତ ଶୁଣ ତମେ 2 ବୋତଲ ରକ୍ତ ଯୋଗାଡ଼ କର ରୋଜି ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ତମେ ଆନାସ୍ଥେସିଆ କଲ୍ ଦିଅ ଆଉ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି ଓଟିକି ଶିଫ୍ଟ କର ନମସ୍କାର ନମସ୍କାର ଆଶିଷ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଥିଲେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆପଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବୁଲ ନେଇ କେସ୍ଟା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଆସୁଛି ମିଟିଂ ଅଛି
सर नमस्कार मैडम नमस्कार सर वो भाई ऑपरेशन केमती है सर कौन तो सर अरे भाई ऑपरेशन एकदम सक्सेसफुल है ଆଉ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି ତମକୁ କିଛି ଦିନ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଆଉ ରୋଜି ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଯାହା ଆଡ଼ଭାଇସ୍ ଦେବେ ତାକୁ ସବୁ ମାନିବ ଆଉ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ମିଟିଂ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଅଧାର ମିଟିଂରେ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ଡିନ୍ ଅଫିସ୍
पेशेंट खाली रिपोर्ट डेट चलिबो खाली सालाइन इंजेक्शन चलिबो परिसर खड़ी फूलले किंबा सालाइन चले इमीडिएटली दीदी को कहै
ଠିକଲି ବେଡ୍ ରହିବ ରୋଗୀ ଉପରୱାଲି ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ମନିଟରିଂ କରିବେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲେ ମୋତେ କଲ୍ କରିବେ ଓକେ କାଲି ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂରେ ଡ୍ରେସିଂ କରିବା
ओके सर
सब तो हो गया वो बढ़िया बाबू केबे भी मैंने गया केबे भी मैंने आज वो लगी वो भाई रही तो सब ये चक्कर उड़ा ये कोड़ा करो वो तो से देखी नहीं जानी ले से चलती ठाकुर जो कष्ट को बड़ डॉक्टर वाले को भाई वो भाई अभी तो कोड़ा जीवन भाई की वो तो कोटी कोटी जुगाड़ करती कोटी जुगाड़ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍।
ଶୁଣ ତମେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ୍ କର ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ମୋତେ କୁହ।
Sir, it is a post of day 7, sir. Sir, patient hemodynamic is stable and vascularity sir ठीक ଅଛି sir.
ସାର୍ ମୋ ଭାଇ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲା ତାର ଯୋଉ ଗଟି କାଟିଥିବା ସ୍ଥାନରେ ସେ ଛୁଇଁଲେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ବୋଲି।
ଦେଖିବ ବାଦ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅ 5-6 ମାସ ଲାଗିବ ମୋ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ପୁରା ଭଲ ହେଇଯିବ। ଆମେ 2-3 ଦିନ ଅବଜର୍ଭେସନ୍ ରଖିବା ତାପରେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଡିସଚାର୍ଜ କରିଦେବା। ଗଲାବେଳେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଯାହା ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ଦେବେ ସେଇଭଳିଆ କରିବେ। ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ପୁରା ଭଲ ହେଇଯିବ। ଆଦ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସାର୍ ମୋର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ପଚାରିବାର ଥିଲା ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ଆମ ଭଳିଆ ସବୁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବ ତ? ମାନେ ବାହା ହୋଇ ଘର ସଂସାର ସୁଖରେ କରିପାରିବ କି?
ଶୁଣ ବିକି ଯଦି ଯେକୌଣସି ଅଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରତିରୋପଣ କରାଯାଏ ଅଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରତିରୋପଣ ଅଙ୍ଗଟି ପୂର୍ବ ଭଳି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲି ଆଉ ଫଙ୍କସନାଲି ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଦେଖାଯାଉଥାଏ ଆଉ ପୂର୍ବ ଭଳି ଯେଉଁଭଳିଆ କାମ କରୁଥାଏ ଯେମିତିକି ପରିସ୍ରା କରିବା ଆଉ ସହବାସ କରି ପିଲା ଛୁଆ ଜନ୍ମ କରିବା ସେ ସବୁ କାମ କରିପାରିବ।
ସତରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗର ପୁନଃ ଭବନ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋଟି କୋଟି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ କରୁଛି। କୋଟି କୋଟି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ଆରେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦିଅ ତଣ୍ଟି କଟକ ସେ ଡାକ୍ତର ଭ୍ରମରବର ମକରନ୍ଦ ବୁଦୁଲିକି ଯିଏ ତମକୁ ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ଆଉ ଅଙ୍ଗକୁ ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ ସଂରକ୍ଷଣ କରି ଆମ କଟକ ବଡ଼ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନାକୁ ପଠାଇଥିବାରୁ ଏ ଅଙ୍ଗ ସଫଳ ହେଇଛି। ଅଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରତିରୋପଣ ପୁରା ସଫଳ ହେଇଛି। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମନେ ରଖ ଯଦି ତମର ସାଙ୍ଗ ବା ଚିହ୍ନା ପରିଚୟ ଲୋକ ତାର ଅଙ୍ଗ କଟି ଯାଇଥାଏ ତାହେଲେ କାଳ ବିଳମ୍ବ ନ କରି SCB ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜକୁ ପଠାଇଲେ ତାର ଅଙ୍ଗ ପ୍ରତିରୋପଣ ସଫଳ ହେଇପାରିବ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଅଙ୍ଗ ପୁନର୍ଭବତୁ ହୋଇପାରିବ।
দীর্ঘ 7 বর্ষ পরে কিরণ নিজের ভুল পাই হৃদয়ে অনেক অনুতাপ করেছি। রাজ ও কিরণ পরস্পরକୁ বিবাহ বন্ধନରେ আবদ্ধ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଏକ ପୁତ୍ର ସନ୍ତାନର ଜନକ ହୋଇପାରିଛନ୍ତି। ସତରେ ସବୁକିଛି ସମ୍ଭବ ହୋଇପାରିଛି SCB ଡାକ୍ତର ଦକ୍ଷ ଡାକ୍ତରମାନଙ୍କର ଅକ୍ଲାନ୍ତ ପରିଶ୍ରମ ଏବଂ ଦକ୍ଷ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପାଇଁ।
ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର କୌଣସି ଅଙ୍ଗ କଟିଯାଏ କିମ୍ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ନ ଯାଇ କେବଳ SCB ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କାରଣ ଏହା ହେଉଛି 450 ବର୍ଷର ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ। 150 ବର୍ଷ ତଳୁ ଏଠାରେ ମେଡିକାଲ ସ୍କୁଲ ଚାଲିଛି। 77 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଏଠି ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜ ଚାଲିଛି। ଆଉ ସବୁଠାରୁ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଥା ହେଉଛି ଏଠାରେ ଦେଶର ସବୁଠାରୁ ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ଡାକ୍ତରମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ ଏଠାରେ ସବୁ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ମାଗଣାରେ କରାଯାଏ।
For vote of thanks by our lovely and dynamic assistant professor, Dr. Prithviraj Singh.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Dean and Principal, sir, our most valued chief guest, guest of honor, esteemed faculties, and esteemed alumni, and the family of the faculties. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of pre-platinum jubilee celebration 75 for 75 on cultural extravaganza. On behalf of the Department of Plastic Surgery, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Falguni Roy sir. Sir, we appreciate your readiness to participate on this event and for your kind words and your best wishes to the Department of Plastic Surgery. Further, I extend my gratitude to our Honorable Guest of Honor, Professor Dr. Sarda Prasanna Swami sir, to take out time from your busy schedule to grace the event with your kind words and generous encouragement to the faculty of and the staff of the department. Further, I extend my very heartfelt vote of thanks to our Dean and Principal sir, Professor Dr. Hota sir, for your vision and leadership and creating a vibrant atmosphere in the SCB Medical College campus, without which it would not have been possible to conduct a pre-platinum jubilee celebration. Thank you, sir. I extend my gratitude to Professor Vibhuti Bhushan sir, head of the Department of Plastic Surgery, for your guidance and constant encouragement. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to all our esteemed faculties and the families of the faculties and the alumni and esteemed alumni for your participation. And last but not the least, we are grateful to the staff of the Department of Telemedicine and Audiovisual staff, Mr. Sachibabu and his team, for your kind cooperation. Thank you everyone once again for making the pre-platinum jubilee celebration, the Department of Plastic Surgery, a great success. Thank you everyone. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to request all the alumni of the SCB Medical College Department of Plastic Surgery for a group photograph. Dr. Giri, Dr. Ranjit Sahu, Dr. Rasmi, Dr. Kantayat, and others. Please come up on the dais for a photo session, please.
Hey, light up, light up, light up. Pura light up. Ready? Oh, table. That Hana they have the Jama table. Ready? Ready? Okay, ready. Once more. Thank you.